Hello, Здравствуйте from Bulgaria. So we just did some shopping and I just want to share with you what the price level is here in Bulgaria. I think personally I got a pretty good deal. So I've got my assistant Barbara with me. She loves to shop, she loves to go to the supermarket, so she helped me out a lot. Let's just go through it. So in total we spent 13 euros and we got pretty much out of it. So to start, we got salt. We bought some salt. It's actually 80 cents. I reckon that's not particularly cheap, but we just needed it. And it's pretty much though, 400 grams. That will last us, well, I hope for half a year maybe. Secondly, we got a pizza. Deep freeze, we're gonna make that in our apartment. 2 euros. Next up, we got some bread, chleb in Russian. In Bulgarian it's called chliab. Small difference with Russian. The bread was how much? 80 cents. So then we got our wines. Yes, a white wine and a red wine. So the red is actually a bit cheaper. This one has a funny name. This is called bear blood. This even has a bear on the label. This bear blood red wine is 1 euro for a whole bottle, and the white wine was a little more expensive.
125.
125, but still, there's not many places in the world where you can get a bottle of red and white wine for 1 euro each. So what's next, Barbara?
I've got
Zeffo cakes.
Zeffo cakes.
Zeffo cakes. Let me check. Can't find them in the
some marshmallow cakes, so we'll put them in the fridge and weigh them later.
Oh yes.
They're about
175.
Yeah, 175.
175 leva. So that's 80 cents.
And I've got some noodles.
Noodles. They're cheap everywhere, but here they were 47 leva cents. So that's about 24 cents.
Of course.
A whopping 2.3 liter beer. It's insane how big the beer bottles are here. That was actually 2 leva 55. So that's €1.25.
Barbara, for dessert, we got lava cakes.
Lava cakes, chocolate cakes. How much were those? $3.39. I think that's the most expensive thing, Barbara.
Okay.
But you gotta spend some sometimes.
You got some.
Oh yeah. Yeah, in the supermarket they got like these freshly made salads. This one is for, I guess you could eat it on bread, but you can also eat it like this. 50 cents for this one.
This one's a
crab salad. 80 cents.
And this one's kind of tzatziki.
Ah, it's tzatziki, yeah. Also 85 cents. So, oh, and crisps. Crisps, of course. 1 euro. So, all in all, pretty decent amount of food. Guess it will last us 2 days.
Yep.
Maybe 3 days with the drinks. So, yeah. Very good hunting. Guess see you next time.
See ya.
Privet.